Hello and welcome to the Ellen Street Poutine Company. My name is Drew and I'll take you on this wonderful journey. If you want to come to me, I will stop yelling in this bullhorn and I will explain our menu. Ask me about my poutine!
How's your poutine?
It's wonderful! Ah! It puts the gravy on the fries or it gets the hose again. Got an order for Kevin, oh my god! I got a dirty pig rolling in the mud. I need a pinagi for Nana. Herbivore. I got a rusty bird for Judy. I've got an order for Rachel. Beyonce, we have a general towel for Beyonce. Beyonce.
Joe, I have your lunch traditional and your bacon cheeseburger. Stop, she's still working on the pierogi.
It's delicious. We got all these things up on this menu for you. What are you doing? Standing in the middle of the whole restaurant. People are trying to get around here. Get out of their way. They're trying to eat poutine. I got one naked grandma. Naked. Where our towels are professionally folded by someone other than myself.
What a rush!
What up? Oh my god, who's it for? Alex, I got you one for lunch. We have a full range of Pepsi products. Would you like any imported Canadian potato chips? We have all dressed and ketchup. Hand cut. The gravy, let me tell you about the gravy. Mirepoix! You got the whole hose.